So this question is from statistics. If X is the upper limit of the model class and Y is the class mark of the median class of the following data, so what is the value of X minus Y? Okay, so X is nothing but upper limit of model class. They have given in the first line of the question. Okay, and then what is Y? Guess Y is the class mark of the median class. Okay, so we have to find out the value of X and value of Y, and answer for the question is nothing but value of X minus Y. Okay, so let's start solving the question. Let's find out the value of X here in the question. X is the upper limit of model class, right? So first of all, what is the meaning of model class? Okay, model class is nothing but highest frequency. Okay, model class is nothing but highest frequency. Okay, so you can see something here in the table like frequency values 8, 12, 10, 11, 13 and 6. What is the highest frequency for the given values of class? Highest frequency is nothing but 13 here. That is in the class of 30 to 35. Okay, highest frequency is nothing but 13 and that is in the class of 30 to 35. Okay, so in 30 to 35, what is the upper value, upper limit of the model class? Upper limit of the model class 30 to 35 is nothing but 35, right? So X is nothing but 35 here in the question. Okay, model class is nothing but highest frequency. We have the highest frequency for the class of 30 to 35, where they said X is the upper limit of the model class. We have taken here upper limit of the class is 35. So value of X is equal to 35. Let's find out value of Y so that we can answer for the question. So what is value of Y? Y be the class mark of the median class of the following data. Okay, so we have to find out the class mark of median class of the following data. So what is the meaning of median class? What is the meaning of median class? Median class is nothing but n by second element class. Okay, so to find out this median class, first we have to write down the cumulative frequency of the given values. Okay, so let's write the cumulative frequency of given values. I'm taking out the same here, class, okay, and frequency, okay, and the next column as cumulative frequency. Okay, so considering the same values, here it is nothing but 10 to 15 and the frequency is 8. And next value 15 to 20 and the frequency is nothing but 12. 20 to 25 and the frequency is nothing but 10. 25 to 30, the frequency is nothing but 11. Next 30 to 35, the frequency is nothing but 13. And then 35 to 40, frequency is nothing but 6. Okay, so these are the original values they have given here in the question. And to that values, I'm just adding the cumulative frequency row here. Okay, so how to find out the cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency is nothing but just adding up of the class values depending upon the values that we have here to solve for the question. Okay, so let's add upon the values depending upon the class limits, guys. So here the first one, right? Cumulative frequency here is nothing but 8 only. Next, if you have to write down the cumulative frequency, add upon these values 8 plus 12, which is nothing but 20. If you have to find out the next cumulative frequency, add upon this value 20 plus 10, which is equal to 30. So want to find out next cumulative frequency 30 plus 11, which is equal to 41. Okay. So next cumulative frequency 41 plus 13, which is equal to 54. And the final cumulative frequency 54 plus 6, which is equal to 60. Okay. So that's how you can find out the cumulative frequency of the given class values of frequency. Okay. Now, you know that n is equal to 60, right? So the last value of this cumulative frequency is nothing but 60. That means you can say that n is equal to 60 here. Okay. So if you want to find out what is n by 2, n by 2 is nothing but 60 divided by 2, which is holding 30 as the value. Okay. So what is 30 here? 30 is given over for which cumulative frequency, guys? 30 is given for here the cumulative frequency of 20 to 25, right? So 30 is given for the cumulative frequency of class of 20 to 25. Okay. That means you can find out the y value. Y is nothing but class mark of median of the class. Y is nothing but class mark of median of the class. Okay. So median of which class? Median of the class 20 to 25. Okay. So now how to find out the class mark of the class? Class mark of the class is nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2, right? So write down the same here. Class mark is given by upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. What is the upper limit of 20 to 25? It is 25. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is equal to 20 divided by 2. So 25 plus 20 means it is nothing but 45. 45 divided by 2 is the value. 45 divided by 2 means how much will be the value? It is nothing but 22.5. So you got the y value as 22.5 here and x value as 35 here. X is equal to 35 and y is equal to 22.5. Let's answer the question. What is the value of x minus y? So x is equal to 35 minus y is equal to 22.5. So what's the answer for the question? Answer for the question is 12.5. Okay. Option B, 12.5 is the answer.